Hi, I'm Laurissa Manning, and I'm with DLM Consulting. We're really excited to be partnering with Onside once again to offer this half-day workshop on change. Navigating the Storm is a half-day workshop that focuses on preparing and managing change. One of the things that we've noticed in working with businesses over the years is that change is inevitable. It is going to happen, and so how can we better prepare and be ready for change and ensure that our teams are also able to manage change. So during this 3-hour workshop, we'll be focusing on really the 3 C's of change: commitment, collaboration, and communication. So starting with communication, we'll really be looking at how do we have difficult conversations when we need to do that, looking at making decisions, keeping those decisions in line with our values and our vision, and really being able to communicate with our team as we're moving through and navigating change so that everyone is on the same page and really feeling safe and secure as we move forward. When we look at commitment, again, we're looking at ensuring that we stay true to our values and our vision. So really committing to those foundational assets that we as business owners have created and that we've shared with our team, our community, and our clients. And finally, collaboration, ensuring that our team members, as well as ourselves, that we're able to continue to work with one another, be open, share ideas, and really create that trust and space where there's psychological safety, because oftentimes change can cause panic and fear, and we want to ensure that that our team members don't feel fearful as we move through this change. Just sharing with those that we work with that change is inevitable. As I said, it's something that we prepare for, that we manage, and that we work through. And really, what it allows us to have is growth in our businesses. So looking at change as an opportunity for growth, as opposed to looking at it as an opportunity, looking at it from an aspect of fear or stagnancy. So we hope that you're able to join us in this 3-hour workshop for navigating the storm. Thank you.